The International Space Station is a habitable artificial satellite in low Earth orbit. Its first component was launched into orbit in 1998, and the last module was fitted in 2011. The main purpose of this station is to provide an international laboratory for space experiments. It is the largest man-made satellite, and it serves as home for astronauts who goes to space. ISS is the third brightest object in the sky. The first crew sent to the space station was 2 years after the launch of the first module, Zarya. About 16 countries were involved in building this space station. It took 137 flight missions to build the space station. The station can hold about 6 members to live in it. The living environment has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 gym. The entire living area is about the size of a football ground. The ISS travels at a rate of 7.71 kilometers per second. It orbits the Earth in about 92 minutes and completes about 15 revolutions every day. The weight of ISS is around 1 million pounds. 232 astronauts have visited the ISS till date. It is the most expensive man-made object ever built, which costed around $150 billion. The ISS is the only place where you can smell the space. It has been said that space smells like seared steak, hot metals, and welding gas fumes. The space station can be seen by naked eyes, from the surface of the Earth itself. It orbits the Earth between 230 and 286 miles from the Earth's surface. If you want to see ISS live, I have provided a link below in the description. Go and sign up. The service is provided by NASA itself. Whenever ISS flies over your location, it provides an alert via email or text message. The station is helpful for studying about what happens to people who live in space, and how to keep the spacecraft working for a longer period, and other researches and experiments, which cannot be done on Earth. This space station will be retiring in 2028. NASA plans to send humans deeper into space. The ISS is the first step in the long-lasting journey of space adventure. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more 2 minutes videos, and don't forget to like and share.